Step 1. Gather your materials. To create our DIY FLEXAGON, you'll need ruler, pencil and eraser, scissors, glue, sketch pens for decoration, a 4-size paper. Any light color? Got everything? Great! Let's begin. Step 2. Measuring and marking the grid. Take your A4 size paper and draw a rectangle with length 24 centimeters, width 10 centimeters. Now, we'll divide the length into 6 equal parts, so each part will be 4 centimeters. Next, divide the width into 5 equal sections, each 2 centimeters wide. This gives us a grid layout to work with. Step 3. Labeling for easy understanding. Across the width, label each section with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. This will help us connect the right sections later. Across the length, label each section with letters A, B, C, D, etc. Step 4. Connecting the sections. Now, let's start joining specific sections to form our folding pattern. Width-wise connections. Join 1 to I, skip 2. Join 3 to K, skip 4. Join 5 to M lengthwise connections. Skip B, join C to 11. Skip D, join E to 9. Skip F, join 7 to M. Now, increase the width by 1 centimeter and draw an extra line. Extend the line connections. Join extended line 3 to K, 5 to M, 3 to C. Step 5. Cutting and folding the FLEXAGON. Identify negative spaces, shaded areas that we don't need. Cut those parts off carefully. Now, time to fold. Fold along all the horizontal lines. Then, fold along the diagonal lines. Step 6. Assembling the FLEXAGON. Join the diagonal edges together as shown. Apply glue on the edges that need to be stuck together. Securely stick all 3 required parts. Now, your FLEXAGON shape is taking form. Take the extra 1 centimeter section, apply glue, and insert it into the ends part. Press it firmly to ensure it sticks well. Step 7. Adding expressions and fun elements. Now comes the fun part, decorating the FLEXAGON. Take a sketch pen and draw a fun expression. Eyes, blush, smile. Now, flex it, fold it, and reveal different faces as you flip. Flip to the next section and draw another unique expression. Repeat for each section. Each time you open it, you get a new face. Step 8. Play with your fun FLEXAGON. And just like that, our FLEXAGON is ready to amaze. Rotate it, flip it, and watch the expressions change. It's like magic in your hands.